Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm on a Porsche Cayenne. This is 2020 model that has the PCM 5.0 system, the one with the big screen here, and the touch capacity buttons around the gear lever. And the problem that the customer is experiencing is the unresponsive screen. So if I'm going to try to do anything here, as you can see, it's not moving. If I'm going to try to select any of the menus on the screen, it's not allowing me to do so. However, I can change and go to home. This will change it to home, but still doesn't allow me to change any radio stations or do anything. I can select apps, and again, it's not allowing me to do anything here. So this is a well-known problem. So let's investigate this. Let's start. Okay, we completed the diagnostics on this screen and the PCM system, and it revealed that the electronics behind the screen and the digitizer, they were faulty, and they were basically causing the screen to freeze. Now, unfortunately, on this occasion, it was beyond repair, so we had to replace this screen for a new one, and now it's fully functional again. So if I show you, I can scroll through everything. It's showing our location here. I can probably zoom in a little bit more, showing where we are. I can select other things, car, navigation, and all the things are working. Let's go to the apps again. So it's loading, I think, in the weather app now. So it's going to bring that app. There you go. But we can select that again, and it shows us all the apps here. If I select news, again, this will bring it up, and the screen is not freezing. It's allowing us to go through everything as intended, as it should. So yes, these screens are quite pricey. If you go the via Porsche route, you're looking at probably including labor of £3,500 or probably more. However, there's alternative. You can go through us and save yourself a significant amount of money. So if you have any issues with the screens, some of them we can repair, and some of them which are beyond repair then obviously have to be replaced, but still not at those prices, still can be done cheaper. So if you have any questions, just get in touch with us. Links will be in the description as always. Thank you for watching this video, and see you next one. Bye bye.